Hello students, how are you all of you? I hope all of you are fine. So stay at home, stay healthy and don't come out from your house. So I am Vikas Moore, primary teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya Barpeta. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of class 3 EVS and it is the plants fairy. So students, प्लांट्स को हम पौधा कहते हैं एंड द फेरी मीन्स परी एंड द प्लांट्स फेरी मीन्स पौधों की परी. सो लेट अस रीड द चैप्टर फर्स्ट. लास्ट संडे वी वेंट टू अ गार्डन इन द नेबरहुड. वी प्लेड हाइड एंड सीक, छुपन छुपाई एंड अंताक्षरी. So students, such types of games you always play at your home. Whenever you have a holiday with your friends, you play these games. So we had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." So after some time, while playing the game, Didi said that let us play a new game and she played that game in the camp last year. The elder sister said that we will play today a new game and I played that game in the camp last year. I will become a plant fairy. Students, I already told you plant fairy means पौधों की परी. So दीदी ने कहा कि I will become a plant fairy means मैं कौन बनूंगी? पौधों की परी बनूंगी. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it. And what was the game? In this game, the plant fairy यानी कि पौधों की परी will call out a name of something. Call out name of something which is around you and you all will have to touch it and you all will have to touch it. And the game began. Didi said, the plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. At once all the children ran toward the plants. Plant means any plant around you, and by the order of plant fairy, all children ran toward the plant to touch them. So, students, you can see in this picture, which is given in our textbook, this girl who is seated middle in these four children is the plant fairy, and these are the children who were ran out to touch the plants. So students, you can see here, this is Ammu. You can see this is Ammu. Ammu held the marigold plant. This is Shabnam. She sat touching a jasmine plant. This is Michelle. Touch a mehendi bush. This is Dayaram. He caught and hold a neem tree. This is the neem tree you can see here. So when all children follow the order of Didi, Didi said, very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? Then Didi said to the children, very good students, very good children, everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? You can see around you, all the plants are different from each other. Neem plant is different from the marigold plant. The marigold plant is different from the mehendi bush. Mehendi bush is different from the jasmine plant. So Didi said to the children that every plant is different from the other plant. So Didi, you are also sitting on little plants, said Shabnam. And Shabnam said that Didi, you are also sitting on the little plants. You can see here Didi also sit on the little plants. So can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? Yes, this is nothing but the, what is this? This is the grass, small grass. So the game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. What is trunk? So student, what is trunk? Trunk is, I will show you what is trunk. So this is the tree. So this is the trunk of the tree. ट्रंक मीन्स तना. ट्रंक को हम क्या कहेंगे? पेड़ का जो तना होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्रंक कहते हैं. सो दीदी started the game again and she was the plant fairy and now she said touch a tree which has either a thick or thin trunk. So बच्चों ने देखो यहाँ पे क्या किया, जिस पेड़ की ट्रंक जो है वो थीन है या फिर कैसी है? ठीक है. सो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी हियर द ट्रंक ऑफ दिस ट्री इज थिक एंड द ट्रंक ऑफ दिस ट्री इज thin. So children catch the tree which trunk is thin or thick. Okay class. So the children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? So students, you have to write the question and the answer of this question. The question is, have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? Okay. So Michelle found the game very interesting. So this is Michelle. You can see here Michelle touched a mehndi bush. So he found the game is very interesting. Michelle found the game is very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy. What happened? Michelle found the game very interesting and he thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy. But Michelle was the boy. How he become the plant fairy? So other children laugh on him. A boy fairy. They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. So Michelle said, get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants, said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. So Michelle ordered to collect the leaves, but he also said that don't pluck the leaves from the plants. Okay, so these are the plants, these are the leaves collected by the students. So here we have one question: do all the leaves have similar colors, shape and margin? So you can see here the different leaves. Can you see? Different leaves have different colors, so and different shapes and different margins. So we will write here all leaves have different colors and different shapes, also different margins. So Dayaram said, I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, and some are triangular. Amu said, they are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellows, red, and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. Look, even the margin of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw, said Shabnam. Amu and Shabnam shouted together, we also want to be the plant fairy. Didi said, no today, maybe next Sunday. It is the time to go home now. After the play, after the game, Didi said that it is the time to go home now. And after that, Didi sing a poem. And this is the poem you have to sing at your home. And after it, this is the homework for you. So color the leaves made around the poem. Color a few leaves of plant like lemon, mango, neem, basil, it's tulsi, mint, pudina and coriander, dhania. Crush the leaves and smell them. Do they all smell alike? Can you identify the leaves? just by their smell. So you have to do this homework at your home in your copy.